Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Precious, aka Peachy Presh. Thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. I am super excited because I will be reviewing the new Sea Moss collection by Mielle Organics. This collection is geared towards those who deal with daily or seasonal hair shedding. So if that's you, definitely go ahead and pick up these products. I personally have dealt with some hair shedding in the past, and I wanted to go ahead and pick these up to see how well they worked for my hair. I'm excited because I picked up the bundle package by Mielle Organics, and I'm going to be reviewing these with you all today. The bundle includes the anti-shedding shampoo, the anti-shedding conditioner. We have also the hair pudding, we have the hair mask, and a leave-in conditioner as well. So I'm super excited to review these products with you, so definitely stay tuned. All right, so I had to change my shirt because I feel like that one was giving really dark, like just dark vibes, and this collection is super bright. I already love the boxing. I'm excited to go ahead and get into the unboxing and see what the packaging looks like. I feel like this is a very tropical, like, you know, nice collection that we're gonna go ahead and check out. So I feel like I needed to match the vibe. So that's what we're doing. All right, let's get into this box unboxing. Oh, which way do I start? I mean, how do I unbox it? All right, so we got the box open and here it is. All right, let's go ahead and get into this. Gotta get all of the little peanuts out, little pack of peanuts. I'm just gonna take everything out and just show y'all really quick, and then I'll go over each one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go over every product that we got in the bundle, just reading them off and showing you guys. We have the shampoo, the anti-shedding shampoo. We also have the anti-shedding conditioner. We have the anti-shedding leave-in conditioner. We have the anti-shedding curl pudding. And we have the anti-shedding gel hair mask. And for a little bit of a treat, we have a little spray bottle. Doesn't have anything in there yet, but right. So I wanted to go ahead and go over each of the products and basically what they are used for, what it's helped to promote, and everything like that. So definitely just stick in, stay tuned, and we'll do a little demo at the end as well. All right, we made our way into the bathroom. I wanted to go ahead and just give you guys a little bit of a demo and I wanted to go ahead and give you all a demo and a little bit of review of the shampoo and the conditioner, and then we'll check out the other products maybe later in another video, probably do like a twist out or a wash and go or something of that sort. But I wanted to show you all the main things. I'm gonna go ahead and do a shampoo on my hair. Normally I would do this in the shower or probably in the kitchen sink, but I wanted to try something different and just go ahead and see about shampooing just, you know, right here, right in front of you all.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, count.
right, y'all, so let's get into this anti-shedding sea moss shampoo. Now, this shampoo is lightweight. It is creamy, but also moisturizing. It is meant to promote longer and stronger hair strands. As I'm lathering on my hair, I can tell that it just feels extremely moisturizing, not stripping at all. Like some shampoos are, they are more like clarifiers. This one is just simple, moisturizing. It glides through your hair very nicely. As I was putting it on my hair, I noticed that the slip is actually really good as well. And some shampoos, you don't really get that slip. But for this one, you could tell that it really glides on the hair really well, moisturizing each and every strand. I did have to go in probably twice to kind of get more of the buildup from my scalp, but the smell is nice and refreshing. It just reminds me of like a tropical paradise like location. So it's just bringing me like to the beach, feeling really nice. The smell is really nice as well. It's very earthy. It's very natural. Just overall really nice shampoo. I definitely liked this one. All right, I'm back after washing my hair, and this is what my hair is looking like. Next, we are going to put in the anti-shedding conditioner, as I have tons of shedding on my hair right now, but that's just probably just the normal amount of shedding. I'm not sure, but let's go ahead and not break the cap. Okay, open this way. All right, so it's open. So here we go. Trying to get y'all to see what it looks like coming out. It's kind of thick. All right, so now that we got that all lathered on up, I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. We're gonna rinse it out, and then we're gonna come back and let you guys know how it feels. So far, so good. All right, I am back from washing out the mask out of my hair. I left it in for a little bit over an hour because I went and got food, ate food, and sat down for a little bit. Because I feel like I've been doing my hair literally all day. So I need to take a little break. But I'm back, and I'm going to try to hurry up and figure out what... Okay. I am going to see what else we have in our sea moss collection lineup. I believe there is the curl pudding and then also the leave-in conditioner. I think since I haven't done a wash and go since I have not done a wash and go in a while, I want to go ahead and try to do a wash and go now. I was thinking about doing like maybe a twist out or something, but I feel like that's just a lot of commitment. So I'm going to try to do a wash and go and see how that turns out. And then maybe in another video, I'll do like maybe a perm rod set or something like that. Because I actually do have some perm rods that I've been wanting to try out for a while. So maybe in another video, we can go ahead and try that out. But for now, we're just going to do a simple little wash and go. Okay, so the last two products in this collection are the anti-shedding curl pudding and the anti-shedding leave-in conditioner. And I'm going to use these two just to do the wash and go, just these two products, and see how it turns out. Yeah, this one says it eliminates frizz, and this one eliminates frizz and adds shine. And then this one, what does this one do? Soft, manageable, locks in moisture and strengthens hair. So that's what this one does. So normally with my wash and goes, I normally just use like a leave-in conditioner and then maybe some type of cream on top. Normally I would prefer to use a lightweight cream just because it takes my hair longer to dry. Like I have mentioned before, I have low porosity hair. So this one has like a pump. That's gonna take forever. All right. This one smells a little bit more lightweight than the other products, but it's very like milky. I feel like this is gonna be super lightweight, not a lot of hold at all. So I don't know how great this wash and go is gonna be. I might just put it into some twist. Actually, I'm thinking about maybe just doing some twist, run into Walmart really quick, and then just giving you guys like a review afterwards. I think that's what I'm gonna do instead, actually. Just because I don't think that these are good products to do a wash and go for. And I just haven't done a wash and go in such a long time. So I just don't want it to not come out the way that I know that it can. I just don't think that these products are good for a wash and go style. I'm going to go ahead and let this air dry. I would use a diffuser, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this air dry, run a couple errands, and then hopefully come back and show you all the final result if it's looking good and decent. And if it's not, then at least we'll know that these products are not necessarily meant for a wash and go, or maybe I just did it wrong. I don't know. We gonna find out. But definitely stay tuned for the results in just a moment.